For most people, buying a car isn't just about style or speed, it's about peace of mind. You want something that starts every morning, survives family road trips, and doesn't turn your mechanic into your new best friend. But here's the truth. Not all SUVs are created equal. Some are notorious for expensive breakdowns, and others are so reliable they feel almost bulletproof. Today, we're counting down 10 SUVs that you can buy right now, new or used, and never lose sleep over costly repairs. These aren't just cars, they're investments in stress-free driving. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 wasn't the first compact SUV, but it perfected the formula. Launched in the mid-90s, it offered car-like comfort with SUV practicality, and it quickly became Toyota's global bestseller. Why it's on this list? Reliability. The RAV4's engines are famously overbuilt, transmissions rarely fail, and even high-mileage examples keep going with just basic maintenance. Many owners report 200,000-plus miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and brake pads. Parts are cheap and widely available, and Toyota's massive dealer network means help is never far away. The hybrid models add efficiency without sacrificing reliability, a rare combo in the SUV world. If you want an SUV you can hand down to your kids when they start driving, the RAV4 is a safe bet. Honda CR-V. The CR-V is to Honda what the RAV4 is to Toyota, a cornerstone. Since its debut in 1997, it's been the go-to SUV for families who want something that just works. Honda's engineering focus has always been on longevity, and the CR-V reflects that. Its naturally aspirated engines from earlier generations are nearly indestructible, and even the newer turbocharged versions have proven robust when maintained properly. Inside, it's roomy, comfortable, and practical. There's nothing overly complicated, which means fewer things to break. And like Toyota, Honda has a huge global presence, so parts and service are never a headache. If you keep up with regular maintenance, it's entirely possible for a CR-V to last 15 to 20 years without major repairs, and plenty of them do. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX changed the game when it launched in 1998. It proved you could have a luxury SUV without sacrificing reliability. Built on Toyota's rock-solid engineering, the RX blends refinement with durability in a way that few luxury brands can match. Lexus consistently tops reliability rankings, and the RX is a big reason why. The V6 engines are smooth and long-lasting, the hybrid versions are proven, and the interior materials hold up incredibly well over time. Unlike many European luxury SUVs, the RX doesn't punish you with sky-high repair bills. It's common to see them with 250,000 miles still running like new. Try that with a German rival, and you'll be on a first-name basis with your mechanic. If you want luxury that won't drain your wallet, the RX is the gold standard. Toyota Highlander. Think of the Highlander as the RAV4's bigger, tougher sibling. It offers 3 rows of seating, more power, and the same legendary Toyota reliability. The 3.5-liter V6 in many Highlanders is one of Toyota's best engines, capable of massive mileage with minimal fuss. Even the hybrid versions have an excellent track record. Families love it because it's big enough for road trips, but not so huge that it feels cumbersome in daily driving. And when something does eventually wear out, repairs are straightforward and relatively inexpensive compared to full-size SUVs. The Highlander is proof that family hauler doesn't have to mean money pit. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has built a cult following, especially in colder climates. Standard all-wheel drive, solid ground clearance, and a simple, rugged design have made it a go-to for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. Subaru's boxer engines are designed for balance and longevity. The CVT transmissions in newer models have been refined over the years, and older models with manual gearboxes are famously durable. The Forester's straightforward design means fewer electronics to go wrong, and the ones it does have are generally reliable. Combine that with Subaru's reputation for safety, and you've got an SUV that feels like a faithful old friend, one you can rely on year after year. Mazda CX-5. Mazda has always balanced style, fun, and practicality, and the CX-5 embodies that perfectly. Launched in 2012, it took Mazda's Zoom Zoom philosophy into the SUV segment without sacrificing reliability. The CX-5's engines, especially the 2.5-liter Skyactiv, are efficient, smooth, and durable. Paired with a responsive automatic transmission, they provide a driving experience that rivals many sedans, while still offering the space and utility of an SUV. Inside, the CX-5 stands out for its premium-feeling materials and ergonomics, yet it's deceptively simple. Fewer complicated electronics mean fewer headaches down the line. Mazda's careful engineering ensures that regular maintenance is straightforward, and owners frequently report high mileage with minimal issues. If you want a compact SUV that's fun to drive, easy to maintain, and won't break the bank with repairs, the CX-5 is a perfect choice. Toyota 4Runner. If reliability had a mascot, it might just be the Toyota 4Runner. Known for its rugged body-on-frame construction, it's practically designed to survive off-road abuse while still being a daily driver. The 4Runner's 4.0-liter V6 is legendary for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. Suspension components are overbuilt, and the drivetrain can handle almost anything you throw at it, from mountain trails to family vacations. It's not the flashiest SUV, but that's the point. The 4Runner isn't concerned with trends. It's built to last. Parts are widely available, and mechanics are familiar with its quirks, making maintenance predictable and affordable. If you want an SUV that can double as a weekend explorer without fear of breakdowns, the 4Runner is your go-to. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is essentially a CR-V with extra muscle. Since 2002, it has offered families a reliable, spacious SUV with 3-row seating and enough cargo room for anything life throws at you. The Pilot's V6 engine is durable, smooth, and surprisingly easy on fuel for its size. Older generations feature engines that are virtually indestructible when maintained, while newer models add modern tech without overcomplicating repairs. Interior design emphasizes simplicity and comfort, with durable materials that stand the test of time. Families appreciate the combination of reliability, safety, and practicality, which is why you'll see Pilots with well over 200,000 miles still on the road. For parents looking for a no-nonsense SUV that handles the chaos of daily life, the Pilot delivers every single time. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is essentially a Land Cruiser in disguise, a luxury SUV with serious off-road chops and Toyota's legendary reliability baked in. The 4.6-liter V8 powering the GX is overbuilt and smooth, capable of exceeding 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Body-on-frame construction, a sophisticated four-wheel drive system, and Lexus-level interior quality mean it combines rugged capability with premium comfort. Unlike many luxury SUVs, the GX doesn't demand constant, expensive attention. Routine maintenance keeps it running flawlessly, and the components are widely available thanks to Toyota's global network. It's the ultimate SUV for anyone who wants high-end comfort, incredible durability, and the confidence that it will keep going, mile after mile, year after year. Toyota Land Cruiser. For decades, this beast has been synonymous with reliability, durability, and longevity. It's more than a car, it's a legend. From African safaris to urban commutes, the Land Cruiser thrives in almost any environment. Its 4.5 to 5.7-liter engines are incredibly robust. The suspension is built to survive decades, and even high-mileage examples are famously trouble-free. Maintenance is straightforward for such a capable machine, and parts are widely available globally. This is the SUV that collectors cherish, adventurers swear by, and families pass down for generations. If there's a single SUV that guarantees peace of mind, the Land Cruiser is it, the gold standard that has set the benchmark for reliability in the SUV world. So there you have it, 10 SUVs that will save you from costly repairs, headaches, and late-night mechanic visits. From the compact efficiency of the RAV4 to the legendary Land Cruiser, these vehicles prove that reliability doesn't have to be boring. Pick any of these, maintain them well, and you'll enjoy years of worry-free driving, whether it's daily commutes, family road trips, or cross-country adventures. Remember, A car isn't just a machine, it's freedom. And with these SUVs, that freedom comes without the fear of breaking the bank on repairs.